Is there a mind-body connection when you get a chiropractic adjustment? The thought of just physically moving your body and how it affects your brain is so incredible. The chemical releases after a chiropractic adjustment can have a profound effect on a person's mental and emotional state. The increased endorphin and oxytocin levels promote relaxation and reduce stress. For some patients, the release of physical tension can also manifest in emotional release. This can be a positive emotional release, including the feeling of well being and energy and peace, but also sometimes the negative emotions, the stress you've been carrying, released into tears. And crying is actually a good part of the mad, sad cycle. If you're living stressed and angry and in tension, and when we release that tension, you cry off some of those emotions, it's like rain washing the mud off the car. It is so freeing, so good feeling. Chiropractic adjustments increase levels of naturally occurring brain-produced chemicals, including neurotensin, oxytocin, and orexin A, which have pain-relieving, anti-inflammatory, and mood-enhancing effects. The adjustment stimulates the nervous system, causing the release of these neuropeptides that modulate pain and promote the body's natural healing processes. This biochemical response contributes to the overall sense of well-being and pain reduction experienced by many patients, even though the
Specific
concept
chemicals and their
of
effects
toxic release
after
is
an
not
adjustment.
medically supported. The neurotensin, a neuropeptide associated with pain blocking and regulating dopamine, it helps improve mood. Oxytocin, a hormone with anti-inflammatory properties, it also decreases pain sensitivity and is linked to improved mood. Orexin A, a neuropeptide that plays a role in pain control, can be a therapeutic target for chronic pain. And of course, if pain is reduced and the perception of pain is reduced, isn't that also helping improve mood? So, this adjustment that the chiropractor does helps to trigger these chemicals in several ways. The nervous system is stimulated. The mechanical force of a chiropractic adjustment stimulates nerve bundles or proprioceptive bundles in the joints, muscles, and tendons of the spine. The neurological reflex, this stimulation triggers a reflex within the nervous system, leading to the modulation of pain pathways and the release of these neurochemicals. There's also the mind-body connection. For natural pain management, the release of endorphins are natural painkillers, and other beneficial neuropeptides demonstrates how chiropractic adjustments influence the brain's chemical balance to reduce pain perception. It also promotes healing. By influencing these chemical messengers, chiropractic care supports the nervous system's ability to heal itself, rather than chiropractic healing the patient directly. Although I'd say when things line up and they're not smashing together, creating more inflammation, there is definitely a quality of life that is improved after getting a chiropractic adjustment. The idea of a toxic release is often associated with transient symptoms like soreness or fatigue after an adjustment, but research indicates that this is more likely a sign of body retracing or revisiting old pain patterns as it heals. The primary effect is the release of beneficial neurochemicals that enhance the body's natural healing and pain relief processes. The mind-body connection, the chemical releases after a chiropractic adjustment, can also have a profound effect on a person's mental and emotional state. The increased endorphin and oxytocin levels promote relaxation and reduce stress. For some patients, the release of physical tension can also manifest as emotional release. When you make a chiropractic appointment, discuss your concerns with the licensed chiropractic physician. It is important to share your health history, your goals, and concerns about the effects of adjustments. There are solutions for every concern as you heal. Within a few days or weeks, depending on the severity of your health history, you will be experiencing more and more positive chemistry, like endorphins and oxytocin, and less pain. I am Dr. Volner, a licensed chiropractic physician in the Kansas City area. I became a chiropractor after being treated by chiropractors. The pain relief is real. The sense of calm is real. Let's make your chiropractic experience real today as well and reduce pain and increase mental and emotional health now. Click like and subscribe, and even more, click to make an appointment. I look forward to meeting you soon.